Hello everyone, hi Scorpio water sign. So this is the special bonus reading for you 2020 messages and the messages that are coming in 2021. Okay, so this is general, may or may not resonate everyone, so take what resonate and leave the rest. So first we will see messages from Moon Oracle deck. Your dreams need a plan. Be bold and make the first move. So this card came in so many readings. Okay, so yeah, definitely you need a plan, practical plan in your life. You want to achieve something very big, you need a practical plan. Okay, without planning, I think in every achievement the proper planning plays a crucial role. Be bold and make the first move. And think in your relationship you are hesitating to make a first move towards your person, then please bold and make the first move. And your dreams need a plan. Definitely your dreams, if you make a proper plan and proper planning, you will get success. Okay, and be bold and make the first move. In career also you have to make first move towards your planning whatever. So these are the messages from Moon Oracles. So let's see from Tarot. Your present, challenges and past, hopes, fears and outcome. More about you and the situation you are going through. First we will see the present of you. So Scorpio, the present. Wow, Ace of Wands, challenge. King of Wands, past and recent past. And the outcome. Wow. Future. Wow. Okay. Under the deck, the devil. I think there is some obsession involved in this connection. So let's see. I think your person involved in this connection could be Capricorn also. So the present is the Ace of Wands. You are passionate about something in your life regarding your career. You want to start something new in your career. And you are very passionate about your work. You are very creative person. You have a lot of passion to do something. Okay, you want something new start in your life. And the challenge is King of Wands, but you have to stand for that. Okay, when you want to commit something, you have to stand, you have to take stand, and you have to be consistent. Before getting any result, you have to be consistent to get result. Okay, because Ace of Wands, definitely there is a lot of passion in relationship. Definitely there is a lot of passion involved. And Queen of Wands, yeah, you have to stand by your power. I think you may be emotional person, that's why the challenge, but you have to be brave. Definitely you have to be stand by your power. Sometimes you have to sometimes you have to use your head over your heart. Okay, and the past and recent past, Ace of Swords and Seven of Wands, yeah, I think you are not very straightforward person. I think you maybe, excuse me, sorry, communication. So if you want to say something, say it clearly. Because if you are thinking that the other person may be feeling sad, that you maybe tell something to them, that is not the issue. When you clearly said something to other person, it will be over. Okay, there is no wrong in that. Please be brave and be straightforward. So tell the truth what you want. Okay, I think there is some communication in recent past happened between you and your person. Truth coming out, something is came out of that communication, what I am seeing here. And Seven of Wands, I think your person, I think you are very passionate about you are doing, for what you are doing right now. And in recent past, definitely if it is your person, they won't give up on you and they want to take this relationship to next level. Your person is also very passionate about you, Scorpio. Yeah, the outcome is Four of Wands. Definitely both are soulmates. I think twin flames for some. 11 and 11, celebration. Definitely there is celebration is coming in relationship wise. In family wise also, in career wise also, you will be get success. You will be successful, you will get success. And Four of Wands, there are some celebrations. Definitely in near future there will be some celebrations in your life. And path to the near future, yeah, the Fool. I think you will be in a beautiful energy, because the Fool is taking a leap of faith and going with the flow. Yeah, this person enjoying every moment. I think it's you are enjoying your life every moment, because past is gone, future is don't know, present. Live in the present moment. You are doing that in near future, and it will be very helpful for you, because this is very good energy and good start for you. I think Four of Wands celebration, I think it is very positive reading for you, Scorpio. Everything is positive in your reading. Yeah, so let's see more about you, Scorpio. The person involved in this connection could be fire sign, lot of fire energy. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Air energy. So let's see more about you. Wow, Three of Wands. No, two cards I'm not taking. Wow, see, you achieved that, because Queen of Wands and here King of Wands. Yeah, more about you. Definitely will achieve this balance in near future. I think you both are very strong couple, very passionate couple, what I am seeing here, because Queen of Wands and King of Wands in one reading, definitely in this reading. Yeah, you both are very passionate about each other. You both are very workaholic, and you both are very strong couple, what I am seeing here. So let's see more about the situation. But you overcome your challenge. That is very beautiful thing. Four of Cups, more about the situation. Want clarification card for this? I think something waiting is going between you and your person, but definitely there will be reconciliation if you are waiting for, or if you both are waiting for commitment, marriage, that will be coming, because Two of Wands is long distance relationship, and you both are thinking about each other. Especially you are thinking about your person a lot, or for some, if you missed opportunity with your person, you are thinking for second chance, Scorpio, or your person thinking about second chance with you. There is a lot of thinking going, and long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries, or states. Let's see hopes or fears. Lot of fire energy, The person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Wow, see, I already told this, there will be brand new beginnings. I think you are hoping, this is hope, you are hoping for brand new beginnings. If you are in separation, definitely there will be brand new beginnings, and there will be celebration in your life, because Four of Wands is there. Definitely you both are enjoying each other's companies. Definitely you both are very strong couple, very passionate couple. You both are passionate about each other. There is a lot of attraction involved in this connection, and there will be brand new beginnings in this connection, and this relationship is going to be next level. The Fool, see, wow. So let's see the outcome. So under the deck, Ace of Pentacles, long term commitment is coming. I think you are getting financial stability too, because you invested, you are getting some results, because I am not saying any pentacles here, but in career wise also you will get some benefit I am seeing here, because Ace of Pentacles, definitely financial stability is also coming in your way. Six of Swords, the final outcome. Under the deck, Justice, definitely second chances. If you are in separation, your person may ask for second chance. If you are not in separation, definitely this relationship is going to be next level. There is no doubt about it. And Six of Swords, yeah, moving towards calm water. If you have any disturbances between both of you, any misunderstandings between both of you, yeah, those misunderstandings are going to be settled, resolved, because Six of Swords is moving towards calm water, some communication, heart to heart conversations. I think moving towards calm water, what I'm seeing, I think you both want same thing. You both are on the same page. You both are very passionate about each other. Yeah, you both are waiting for the same thing to happen. Yeah, there are brand new beginnings between both of you guys, Scorpio. But one thing in this reading is you will achieve balance, and you stand by your power. This is very very beautiful thing, Scorpio. So this is the reading for you. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.